Alright, these are the elevators here at the Centro, Médico, Conchita, CHRISTUS MUGUERZA in Monterrey, Mexico. And these elevators were normally an older Otis with the series, possibly the series 1 fixtures, but now they got remodernized. So yeah, we're about to find out. So here we go. We're here on the first floor. We're getting the left car. For some reason, this doesn't want to light up. But yeah, I think we're gonna start by going down. And this is an OThyssONE, so we're gonna go down to 0. It's a weird brand, like these run fast, to be honest. Here at 0. All right, up to 4. See that? Let me see if we can. OThyssONE. Here at 4. Whoa. Let's watch that button go up. Whoa. That'll scare me. We're gonna go down to 1. Unfortunately, we're not gonna go down to 0 because there's security, and I don't want to get them on picture. We're gonna try to get the right car. Such a nice OThyssONE elevator. Hey, and right here are the fixtures and the indicator. Here at 1. Whoa, that's a big bump. There's that one. Let's catch the left one now. The button works this time. So we're here on the first floor of the hospital. Here it is. All right, last, it's the same OThyssONE. Up to 4. Look how combined with one logo it is. Here at 4. Whoa, it's a little big bump. Here at 0 again. Oh, just the main floor. All right, up to 1. We'll end it there. Let's do a cab view. Again, your really nice OThyssONE elevator. Hey, here are the fixtures with the emergency phone button and the indicator. Here at 1. Whoa. All right, well, you have it now. There it goes, and that's it.